How to write your text in a circle. Using the Shape tool, draw a circle. Once done, select the Text tool and take the cursor close to the edge of the circle until the icon changes. Once it changes, click on it to type, and it will create a text box around the circle. Then, using the Path tool, position the text where you want to. To do this, select the Path tool and take it to the point where the texts meet. Once you notice an icon change, click and drag in the direction best suitable. To write on the other side, repeat the same process. Then with the Path tool selected, drag the text inside the circle from the middle, then adjust the line spacing to bring it out.